I didn't have a glove, but I didn't need it. I just grabbed it when they got close. Alright, or if you want to use a glove, have Dad shoot.
I'll shoot.
Works good just to step on it too. When they WHOA,
because she didn't move.
Okay. She didn't move it a bit, so it's perfect. So we'll be good. So where are they, guys? Okay, roughly.
The first one, Chris, there's those 3 pine trees. Up on the hill, there's 3 clumps in the middle clump. Okay, right on this hill, that middle. There's 1, 2, 3. It's the middle one.
Nice breeze.
Well, get a breeze.
It's all right. She's just smelling. No. We don't want to. Ed calls it
Both
over.
birds have come back this way.
Yeah, right back towards the truck. So.
Yeah, she's walking kind of straight for it. So as long as she's.
Well, one went down there, didn't it? So she's scenting where that one bird fell. Got good noses on them. I'll drop to my knees, so don't worry about me. And like I said, I'll get over here and stand on the rope, Chris.
Yeah, it's right ahead of you, like right at the pump right here.
Over here. Hey.
Put your over.
Get her down. She's gonna go up.
Willow, Willow, here.
Right in front of her. Right there.
Boom. Whoa.
Really
just perfect. Let me step on it.
Whoa. Whoa.
Where's the
stick?
Oh, yeah, that's it. Hey.
Just lift her up. All right.
Whoa.
It's all right. Good job, buddy. Here, give me a gun.
Hey, Willow, here. Here. Good girl.
Perfect.
Good girl.
Couldn't be any better than that. We'll go behind.
Willow. Good girl.
That was awesome, Willow.
Oh, great.
Did you see everything well, Stephanie? Good deal.
Well, over.
That clump right up ahead. Right up
She's
ahead.
right up by it.
Right on the right side.
Well, she's smelling, I think.
So right up ahead of you, like 20 yards. It's on the back
Willow,
side
here.
of it.
Over.
Willow! She's hunting, that's fine. She's gonna come in it from the side.
Easy.
It's right in front of her, Chris.
Easy. Whoa. Whoa. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Willow.
Oh, it's all right. Let her just get it. Let her just get it. Let her just get it. It's all right.
Good girl, Willow. Good girl, yay, Willow. You got it.
Still worked out good.
Oh, shit.
Good girl, Willow Bear.
Good girl, Willow.
You got 2 retrieves out of that one. That's all right. That's all right. That's still perfect.
You want me to save it for?
Well, I got.
If it takes off, shoot
We'll
it.
shoot it. Yep.
This way.
All right, I got my gun.
Willow.
Throw it up high enough so it doesn't.
That ain't gonna fly. She missed it. That's all right. Tell her over and back, Chris. Over and back.
Over.
Back. Hey.
Too far. Willow. Hey. Good girl.
Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird.
Dead bird. Willow.
Not much wind right there. Oh shoot. She went there. She got it. Yes. Nice. Dead bird.
Dead bird. Dead bird.
She's getting hot now. Let's just let her find it and then we'll stop.
Willow.
You see it, Chris? Okay. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Good girl. Good girl. That's even better for her. Good girl.
Okay.
Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Can't do any better than that,
Yeah,
Willow.
that was good. Willow.
That's perfect. Perfect's pretty damn good.
All right.
Good,
You got
guys.
energy? Do you want to do 2 more? Because
Yeah,
we
she's-
brought all the way down to the
Right.
trees.
And came back, so
if
they're
you wanna
resting.
Do 2 more with her just to get her since she's out.
Yeah, we could do that.
I'll grab the launch.
Down
Okay.
Here farther.
Let me have that one, Chad. I don't have nothing.
You can put it where I got.
Does that look pretty level, Chad? Like,
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
we didn't shoot the last one.
Oh, that's right. We did. I forgot too. We didn't shoot. Now we switched sides, Chad. So the first one's on the left side, second one's on the right side.
I'm gonna stay on this path.
Yeah, you can shoot anywhere we got them from there. Watch the rope.
Well, hey.
Bottom one beeps her twice. Yep, bottom.
Where's the first one?
Stop. See that tall tree on the left? It's just left of that one.
It's kind of in between that one and the next little tree that's not as big, in a low spot. Once we gotta get past the tree, I'll cut over. You stay on the road. She's going over there where those other ones were. She smells them, Chris.
Yeah.
That's where they were sitting in the launcher. Isn't that something? They smell that and it wasn't even on the ground. Good girl. Hunt them up.
Good girl.
I'll just step on it like I've been doing. That works pretty good, Chris. That way they can't cheat.
Well, over.
It's right in front of us here.
Over.
Willow!
Hey. That's not it. That's not it. Over. Hey. Willow.
Where is it, Chris? Let her.
Here. It's right on there.
Okay. Easy. Whoa! Oh, she ended up right on top though. She got right on top. Let's just pick her up and back her up. That wasn't her fault because there was no wind and she turned. Whoa. There you go. And she turned and she was on top of it when she smelled it, so I'm on her. You ready?
Chad.
Don't shoot, don't shoot. Oh. Good shot, Chad. Yeah, they're going low.
Thanks, Chad.
I forgot about you having the angle. Here, Chris, let me have your gun. Get her back.
Hey, right here, Will. Here.
Still perfect. The bird worried me, but good shot, Chad.
Yeah, I missed the first one.
Well, you smoked the second one now.
There.
Good girl.
Good girl. Right here.
It's hot. It's hot.
She's might be stuck with that rope too.
Stuck? Good girl. Yeah.
I don't think he even fired, did he?
Girl. Yeah. Yeah, right here. Good girl.
Here, dump your shells. I'll take them.
Good girl. Yeah. Over here. Over here.
Ooh. Ooh.
Good girl. Yes.
Good dog.
Good girl.
That was good.
That was good.
Excellent.
Good girl. Mommy says awesome.
I said don't shoot to me when you're yelling.
No, it's Chris. I was afraid he was going to try to take a shot.
Well, did you hear? I said Chad shoot.
Yeah, no, that's what I heard. All right, where's the last one?
Off to the right here.
This big, the bush, and there's a big bush, there's a low spot just past that big bush. It's in that lower cover spot.
Yeah,
Dead center.
Should be pretty good. Should say this was a fun car ride. Yeah.
Red light is on, right? Red light is on.
Yeah.
Good.
Well,
Turn it off for a minute there. So.
well.
Her coming so close was not her fault, Chris, because there was no wind, and all of a sudden she was on it before the wind scent cone broke her nose. And it's just right there, Chad, on the right. She's scenting now. Yeah. Easy.
Easy. Whoa. She's not quite on it though.
It's all right. She's smelling it.
She's scenting it though.
She's scenting it from there. See.
The scent's coming that way.
That's what we go ahead. Go ahead. And
You don't want her looking at it though?
we'll tell her, Willow.
Willow.
No, go ahead. Don't. Yep. She's going off her nose, and that's what you want.
Okay.
Ooh, that one's high.
Check.
Good shot, whoever shot.
Nice shot.
Boy, you're getting all the shots, bud.
Good girl.
Here, get her back to you.
Good girl. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I know.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
Mommy was moving on that one even, I thought. Good deal, guys.
Expect the bird to come towards me.
Well, we didn't either. That one kind of spun in a circle.
No, it's all good.
Yeah.
I'll grab the
That was
launcher.
perfect. Yeah. That's what you want. You don't want them scenting off because the scent was coming, because the first one Remy did was like that too. Okay. They don't know where it launched. They just saw the bird fucked up. Yeah. Good girl, Willow.
This one fell out
Good dog.
when I bent over to maybe dump them in the back edge of your truck. Or...
Yeah, I'm putting them in the back of my truck.
Just dump them in the
ditch. I'll do that while they're not around.